Okay, in this video, I'm going to give an overview of overriding offboard control and taking manual control. Been asked this quite a bit recently and want to make sure to demonstrate how this works. Kind of can be kind of scary not being able to give manual input, especially when offboard mode is engaged. So I'm going to go ahead and deploy this flow. I've clicked the takeoff button. You'll see here that I'm in takeoff mode, and I will click arm. DEXI will gain altitude, and it's a bit windy out today. My battery is low, so a bunch of things that I don't recommend you do, but figured it was worth a demonstration. So now I'm hovering, still in takeoff mode, and what I'll go ahead and do now is I'll start my offboard heartbeat. We'll switch to offboard mode in Q ground control. You'll see that it's showing there. And then I'll demonstrate that I have zero control with my sticks. DEXI is waiting for set points from our code. Now I'm going to take manual control by toggling my flight mode switch. I've gone into altitude. You can see that in Q ground control. My stick inputs are working, and now I can land. So make sure you understand how the flight mode switch can override offboard mode. One of the best ways to practice manual control is engaging position hold. As you know, it's this third switch position all the way down. Fly around and practice toggling from position mode to stabilize, so that's all the way forward. And you've basically gone from an assisted flight mode, as position hold keeps everything not only level but constant altitude above the ground. Switch to stabilize, grab your sticks, make sure that you can do that transfer of assisted control to manual control, toggle back and forth, get comfortable with that, and then any point in time, if you're in offboard, hopefully you've tested your code in CITL, but if you see anything that behaves differently, as we know that in the real world can be quite different than simulation, and doing this transition from position to stabilized and back is a great way to practice. And at that point, you'll have the confidence and be able to override any sort of code or programmatic errors or erratic drone flight. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And until next time, thanks for watching.